Hi you guys, so I'm just here waiting at Jazzy's school to pick her up for the day and see what the day brings, what we're going to do next. I was thinking that we're going to go to make a trip to the dollar store, so we will show you guys some stuff from there and then probably just stay around the house and straighten up and different stuff, but we'll see. So today Sean had me looking at the weather. He's like, look and see if it's gonna rain today. So I look it up and I'm like, it says 0% all the way. It doesn't say any rain, 0%. And I'm sitting here and then all of a sudden I start feeling sprinkles and it starts raining and he's like,
hey babe, it's gonna rain?
0%,
honey.
0%.
0 chance.
We even got a bonfire going and everything. We're like, what? Yeah. So it started to rain, and I thought it wasn't going to rain, and we had the bonfire going. I'm like, what the heck? Yeah. So anyway, I guess the Weather Channel is wrong. Look at the clouds. And he's all out here doing yard work and everything. Electric and everything. This is funny, guys. He's like, give me some of those wagon wheels. He goes in there and puts some more hot sauce on it and some lemon. And he's like eating a few, and then all of a sudden he's like, ah, ah.
Got some fire, son.
Like, why did you add hot sauce to it, though?
How's that?
Crazy. The fire is finally going pretty good. What?
Ah! Once it hits your lips, it's just so good. Oh my God.
He's crazy.
Whose idea was this?
Yours! Your idea to eat those.
Oh.
You said they're a bomb.
I'm a dangerous man. Put some money in my pocket.
So pretty out! Look at the clouds. Love it. Such a weird weather kind of day, though. It's all pretty and sunny, and then it's like raining a little bit. I'm like, what the heck? What is going on here?